Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hopeful that you will be fine and hoping for your best of health and iman. MashaAllah. We all know the current situation that this disease is spreading all over the Pakistan as well as all over the world. So we must stay at home. Let's start our work, and I hopeful that you will help your children at home in their studies. Let's open English class 3. Do all the questions on notebook. Firstly, let me tell you that don't use your notebook given by the school, but you can use separate notebook and separate register to do your SVT. SVT means summer vacation task. So we start our work applying dictionary skills. The dictionary helps you find the meaning, definition of the word, pronunciation of the word, how the word is used, part of speech, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, etc. Means you will use dictionary and you will find meaning, definition of the word, pronunciation of the word, and how the word is used. Whether you can find that this word is noun or it is verb. Locate the words in the dictionary and main primary dictionary and write the definition, pronunciation and parts of speech of each word on notebook. First, blossom. Blossom. Definition of blossom is a flower, especially the flower of a fruit tree. What is the definition of blossom? A flower, especially the flower of a fruit tree. Pronunciation, blossom. What is the pronunciation? Blossom. Parts of speech, that it is a noun. It is noun. So there are many words are given and you will write it on your notebook, the definition of these words, pronunciation and parts of speech, and you will follow this pattern. That first word is sapling, occur, harvest, pick, involve. You will find the meaning of these words in the dictionary and will write definition, pronunciation and parts of speech to follow this pattern. Next is comprehension. Apple life cycle. First me tell you that what is comprehension. Comprehension mean an ability to understand the meaning and the importance of something. What is comprehension? Comprehension means samajhna. Comprehension mean an ability to understand the meaning and the importance of something. So there is the passage about Apple life cycle. You will read this passage carefully, and on the next page the question is answer the questions on notebook, and you will write answer of this following questions on your notebook. Question number 1, where do apples come from? You will read the passage carefully and you will write the answers on notebook. Question number 2, what are the stages in the life cycle of an apple? Question number 3, write 4 adjectives about apple as big, sweet, etc. Adjectives means qualities, and you can write the benefits of an apple. Write 4 adjectives about apple as big, sweet. These are the qualities of apple. You will read only the passage carefully and write answer questions on notebook. Next question is creative writing. We can use apples in different ways. Describe them. Write 7 to 10 lines on notebook. In this picture we can see that apple is used in apple jams and candies as well as in many other things. So follow this diagram and write that how we can use apple in different ways. It is creative writing, and you will write about apple's benefit. Next question is reading. Read any story and complete the report on the notebook. Story report. First one is title. What was the story about? when did the story happen, where did the story happen, how was in the story, who was in the story, what was the problem in the story, what have you learned from this story. You can read any story from your English textbook and will write on your notebook the report about the story. Firstly, you will write or you will mention title of the story, then what was the story about, then when did the story happen, where did the story happen, who was in the story, means you will mention the character of the story, what was the problem in the story, and what you have learned from the story. You will mention all these questions on your notebook and give answer. On the next page, the topic is noun. Noun. Complete the story writing suitable nouns in place of the pictures. Write the complete story on notebook. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or a thing, and the question is that you will complete this story and you will write suitable nouns in place of the picture. You can see that this is the picture of a boy and this is the picture of a girl. You will mention their name. They live with their dash. We can see that these both are parents on a farm. They have 12 hens and a dog. The hens give them eggs and it is goat, and the goat gives them milk. They do not have to buy any eggs or milk from the market. Sometimes you will mention the name of this boy Ali. Also help his father to harvest the fruit on the farm. In this way, you will mention all the nouns of all these pictures and will write on your notebook. Next question is, here are some words for young ones of animal. Copy them on the notebook and match them. You will write the names of animals and the names of their young ones on your notebook and will match it. First one is sheep. The young ones of the sheep is lamb. You will match them. Sheep, lamb. Draw proper line with scale and your work should be neat and clean. On the next page, alphabet noun hunt. Find a noun for every letter of the alphabet. There are alphabet are given A to Z and you will find nouns for each alphabet. Means like A for apple. Apple is also noun and you can write noun for each alphabet. And you will write this activity on your notebook. In the next page, composition writing. Composition writing. Write about your city using the given mind map. Write about your city. You can see that in this diagram, you can see the topic is my city. You will follow this mind map and write on your notebook and will give information about your city. My city, you will mention the name of your city, interesting places, special food, weather, about people, which province. You will write interesting places of your city, special food of your city, weather of your city, about people of your city, and which province. In which province do you live? Next is composition writing. Write about the last book you have read or about your favorite book. You will give information about your favorite book and will follow this pattern and write on your notebook about your favorite book. You will mention the name of your favorite book, author, who has written this book, colorful story. You will write about your favorite book that what is story in your book, and how much it is interesting tells about your book. You will mention all the information about your favorite book in your notebook. Come on the next page, comprehension. We have also read about comprehension, that comprehension mean समझना. It is an ability to understand the importance and meanings of the something. Amna's toothache. In this passage you will read about Amna's disease or Amna's toothache. You will read this passage carefully and will give answer of these following questions on your notebook. Read the passage carefully and answer these questions. Question number 1. Why was Amna's tooth hurting? Question number 2. Was Dr. Toothy happy to see Amna's teeth? Why or why not? Question number 3. What did Amna like to eat? Question number 4. What do you think? Brushing your teeth twice a day is good or bad thing? Question number 5. What is the lesson of this story? Question number 6. Examine your teeth and check whether they need filling or not. Question number 7. What would you happen if food stays overnight in your mouth?